Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Tech Tuxedo. This is going to be a quick video on yum undo. We're going to undo a package installed by yum, and this is very useful if you use yum to do patching, or if you have installed a software which is causing issues with your production system or with your application and you want to roll back. This is a quick trick that you need to know. So if you do yum history, this prints out a list of last run yum commands, and you can see which user ran the command, when it was run, what was the action, how many packages were installed. So supposing you want to roll back your last software or last yum install, it is always going to be on the top. If you're not sure which one you want to roll back, you can do a yum info, yum history info, and then the ID, and this will print out the information, basically when it was installed, which user was successful, what was the command, and which package was installed. Now if you want to roll back, you have to do yum history undo 11, and running this will roll back the patches. Just hit a yes and it's done. So in this example we didn't have a previous version of the package, but if there was, yum would have installed previous version, removed the latest version and installed previous version. I'm going to quickly try if I have a good example for you, like this one. This one is an update command. So if I do yum history info 8, so this is saying I installed glib2, and the version that I installed was 2.56, and the previous version was 2.54. so if I do undo on this, it should bring me back to 2.54. Alright guys, I hope you find this useful. It's a quick trick that you can use in your office to roll back patches installed by yum. Thank you for watching this video.